Some phones age more gracefully than the Nexus 5X. Later in its life cycle, reports of Nexus 5X devices getting stuck in boot loops began to flood support forums. Many folks with boot looping LG's last Nexus phone had to get them replaced or refunded. Project Fi has started offering the Moto X4 as the Nexus 5X's replacement under Project Fi's device protection. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. If you are covered under Project Fi, you can pay a $69 deductible and receive a new Moto X4 as a replacement. The Moto X4 is a great replacement for the Nexus 5X. It has an identical screen at 5.2 inches 1080p and it runs a Snapdragon 630 CPU, one that is much more efficient and powerful than the 5X's Snapdragon 808, so battery life will be definitely better. There is also more RAM and storage and is expandable further via a microSD card. You would also enjoy the Moto X4's superior glass and metal build as well as some dual camera features. Software will be similar since Project Fi has Android 1 version with pure stock Android. As Android Police reported, Project Fi's $5 a month protection plan had customers with faulty phones choose from either a $100 Google Store credit or a $53 check, both of which were pathetic considering the customer was left with a fraction of the cost of a new phone. So that's it for now, and we hope you liked the video. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.